Ashley. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. It's Nalangandi Ashley Rondorani Mukwebo, and this is Savvy Ash. So today I'm going to be giving you some skincare tips. Yep, I'm not wearing any foundation. It's just good skin, girls. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe or like the video if you're going to like it. And today we're going to be talking about skincare that we don't talk much about. You know, tonight you're going out. You know you have to look good. You know you have to put on all that makeup, blush, lashes. But you don't plan for your skincare when you come back. And you know you're going to sleep with makeup on. Because, I mean, who has time, who has energy to be running after your scrub and and everything and removing lashes and all of that? But I've got you. I'm going to give you some tips on skincare for when you're coming back from a and I'm going to be giving you skincare tips for when you're coming back from a wild night out and you don't have time to remove your makeup nor the energy. First tip is you need to have water by your bed. Before you go, this is when you prepare for the skincare of when you come back from that night out before you go out. When you're busy doing your makeup, you should be preparing. First, you get a liter of water by your bed. Why? Water, first of all, is going to help you with your hangover. That's a double tip. And secondly, when you're drinking alcohol, it does remove all the fluid that you have in your body. You do get dehydrated, so you will need some water. Like, drink before you go to sleep, drink first thing in the morning. So that's the first tip. Have some water by your bedside. Second tip is Vaseline or some type of oil. So you could have coconut oil or you could have Vaseline. Vaseline is good because it's thick and it won't run all over your bed. Because I'm sure you're doing this whole skincare thing like sleeping on your bed, removing your lashes and sleeping in your bed. So Vaseline is good. You just lather it all over your face. This is when you come back, you lay on your bed, you sleep, you apply Vaseline, you apply Vaseline, you apply Vaseline. Then you have to have wet wipes by your bedside. I'm not really a huge advocate for wet wipes because I feel like they do kind of, I'm talking about environment. You're always throwing away. I'm more a fan of like face cloths because you can reuse them. But wet wipes are for emergencies. This is an emergency. So you have your wet wipes by your bed. So you come back, you apply your Vaseline, you take a couple of wet wipes, wipe, my gal. Wipe, keep wiping. And even if you're looking with one eye, if you see brown or black, you keep wiping. The Vaseline does help with melting the makeup. You keep wiping. Just put it by the side of the bed. You'll see in the morning when you're okay. And this could be just like how you've cleansed your skin, how you've washed it. It's way better than just going to sleep with your makeup on. But then if you do have a little bit more energy, you could go ahead and take your toner and take those pads that you use for toning or a face cloth. If you're a face cloth fan, apply your toner there and then you can tone your skin. And then apply a serum. Very important. Get yourself a serum, guys. It is so important. I got mine for 60 rands, 40 rands or 60 rands. It's from EAD, E-A-D. It's a serum. Apply that to your skin. It makes your skin oily and, you know, it moisturizes the skin. So when you're asleep, you don't wake up with dehydrated skin. So those are the things that you need to make sure before you go out, prepare them by your bedside. So that when you come back, you're able to at least remove as much makeup as you can. And then the next morning, that was when the real work begins. You are masking that day, okay? You're putting on a face mask. Your skin needs to recover. You are scrubbing or exfoliating your face, okay? So you're going to wake up, you have all that serum on your face, you've removed as much makeup as you could. Then you're going to wake up, you're going to exfoliate, double cleanse. You could exfoliate and then wash with your foam or soap. And then you're going to then go ahead and mask, chill 15 minutes. Continue drinking your water. After you mask, you do your normal skincare routine and you're done. You don't even have to move from your bed for this skincare routine, guys. Thank me, okay? Now, thank me, okay? Now I need to go to sleep. I'm tired. No, sorry, I forgot. subscribe.